Let's talk about SUI. Been getting asked a lot of questions. Lucas, are you still in SUI? Do you still hold SUI? Who remembers probably 6 months ago? We were getting 3, 4, sometimes 500% on Turbo's finance. Shout out to everyone who remembers this. Do let me know if you do. And we were stacking SUI like crazy, taking those yields and further creating yield. Again, the yield on yield strategy. Since then, we did take profit for SUI. We have been dollar cost averaging back into SUI. When everything kind of dipped, there was a lot of awesome opportunity there. But I, on purpose, am not yield farming SUI. I don't want to lose the upside potential. So I'm holding some SUI in just a bull run bag, and then others I've been playing with Navi Finance. I mean, you can get 8-9% on some SUI here. I have 10,000 SUI in total. 6,268 of it is sitting on Navi. So that's the reason why I'm not in a yield farm with SUI. I feel very bullish when it comes to SUI. That said, you might not be and you just want to yield farm it. You can probably do around 150, 160% on SUI right now. And remember, Turbo's finance isn't the end all be all. If you go over to DeFi Llama, you go to chains, you'll see that SUI is rated 14 when it comes to TVL for blockchains. Again, a fairly small TVL compared to something like Ethereum or even Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum. Base is sitting at 1.5 billion. SUI would be about a third of that at 500 million. But if I click on SUI, you can see all the protocols that are built on the SUI blockchain. We got Navi, which is where I lend. We got Scallop Lend, which is also lending. We got Cetus. For DEXs, you can see Cetus has 92 million versus Turbos only has 8 million. So with that knowledge, I could click on over to Cetus. We could open up the website and let's have a look at what Cetus is offering. There we go. So we got a SUI USDC over here at 211%. That's a lot more juicy, way more TVL, and obviously way more volume running through Cetus. So back in the day, Turbos there was a lot of perks to being in Turbos, and Turbos was paying out some awesome returns, and the user experience was awesome. I will be using Cetus when we actually move forward with actually yield farming back on SUI. There are some other opportunities on here that are actually really, really sexy. So it's definitely worth checking out. Let me know if you want training on DeFi Llama. We used to do a lot of different videos on DeFi Llama. Once you learn how to use DeFi Llama, which is a great tool, Crystal, which is a great tool, Mango Moss, which is an awesome tool, that's really all you need. These are all free and they absolutely get the job done. And once you learn how to use them, you'll be able to navigate DeFi, find awesome opportunities, and be able to move on things very, very quickly. So if you want training on different tools we use, do let me know in the comments below. And with that said, I'm going to end this video short. I hope it was of value to you. If it was, like this video, subscribe to this channel. Let me know below what you'd like to see more of on this channel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave 4 videos on the 4 corners of your screen. Study this stuff. We just released a podcast and I was watching some of the reviews and like 99% of them are from the UIG, and it's just like, this stuff changed my life. DeFi changed my life. We're handing out badges right now in the UIG, and we had something like a couple dozen people already requesting the $2,500 a month and the $5,000 a month badge. Turn your crypto into cash flow. So do check out some other videos, study the stuff. With that said, I'm out of here. Peace.